with this sauce. Finally.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. I am super excited for this video. It's a very random video that I decided to make because I wanted to share my favorites experience with you guys. Now a lot of people already do a monthly favorite kind of a video, but I decided to try it on for the first time. So this is the first time that I'm doing my summer favorites video. So I hope you guys will like it, and if you're new to the channel, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content over here. Hi guys, I am Madhulika. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. अभी तो start ही हुआ है summer, but then I already have my favorites जो कि मैं use करने वाली हूँ this summer. So let me just start with the first thing. How can we talk about summers without talking about sunscreens, right? Sunscreen actually आपको हमेशा लगानी चाहिए, be it summers or winters. But generally लोगों को sunscreens की याद तभी आती है जब summers चल रहे होते हैं. So मैं फिर से remind करवा देती हूँ to use sunscreen daily. And I have my summer favorite sunscreen right over here with me. So this is none other than the Lotus Safe Sun, and I really love it. This one is vitamin C sunscreen, and I think ये बहुत ही प्यारा है because इसका texture बहुत ही amazing है. ऐसा gel texture का sunscreen ना I have not used before. It is generally very creamy and it generally leaves a white cast on your face हमेशा जब भी आप sunscreen लगाते हो. But this one doesn't do that. This one is a perfect sunscreen I think because पहली बात तो ये matte gel है तो ये sticky भी नहीं होता है लगाने के बाद. I have already applied it and you can see कोई भी stickiness नहीं है मेरे face में. Plus it is paraben free. It is dermatologically tested. It has SPF 50 which protects from UVA and UVB rays. So I think it is perfect, and it is also meant for oily skin. So I think that's a plus because oily skins के लिए sunscreen ढूंढना is difficult थोड़ा सा. But yeah, I think मुझे the best part that I really like about it is the texture. I have to give it to Lotus because बहुत ही प्यारा texture है. It's not very creamy. It is gel based texture, तो बहुत ही अच्छे से skin में absorb हो जाता है. Plus vitamin C का benefit भी है sunscreen में, so that's an add-on to it as well. You can also reapply it throughout the day because it is not that sticky ना, तो आप कभी भी 2 घंटे में you can just reapply on your face because sunscreen anyway you have to reapply if you're going out in the sun. So I'm obsessed with this. This is my favorite sunscreen for this season and I would highly recommend this. This is not my real hair. It is a clip-on, and मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही बुरा हादसा हुआ था कॉलेज में when I got bangs for the first time. And they looked horrible, and जब तक वो बढ़ते नहीं है ना then you cannot do anything about it and it really sucks. तो इसलिए कॉलेज वाला एक्सपीरियंस के बाद I decided कि मैं कभी भी bangs नहीं कटवाऊंगी because they looked horrible on my face but they look very cute on others. So I was always wondering कि यार क्या कर सकती हूँ, दोबारा मुझे रिस्क तो लेनी नहीं थी. So that's why we decided, actually it's my sister's, she decided to get this clip on. ये छोटा सा यहाँ पे clip हो जाता है. And I look so cute यार. I don't know why वो hair debacle हुआ था मेरे साथ कॉलेज में, but I think I look really cute इसमें. Let me know how do I look. So this is the first thing that I really like for summers. Summers में actually bangs कटवाना is also very very risky because मैंने समर्स में कटवाया था and मेरे पूरे forehead में pimples हो गए थे उसके बाद because it used to be really hot, right? तो इसीलिए I'm going to use these whenever I feel fancy and whenever I need a change of hairstyle. So इसीलिए I got this one. I recommend it 10 on 10. इसका color is jet black, but the only thing is कि इसका color is really black. तो जिसके बाल थोड़े से भी colored है या फिर brownish है वो लोग इसको नहीं लगा सकते, but otherwise people with black hair, you're good to go. It looks really really cute. इसमें ऐसे छोटे से 2 bangs यहाँ ऐसे निकली हुई हैं, 2 लटे, and then this is the short वाला part. I will leave a link for everything in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. Okay, so coming to some beauty products that I really like this summer. The first one is a toner. Now toner जो ये है, this is my favorite actually all the seasons में. Specifically I like it for summers is because I can use it as a mist as well. मतलब it works really well. It's a hydrating toner from Plum, so बहुत ही अच्छा है. I really like it and let me just show it to you guys. This is how it looks. ये Plum का toner है and it is fragrance free. It is a rose water toner. तो generally वो नहीं होता था जब हम छोटे थे तो डाबर का वो गुलाबरी आता था जो हम फेस मिस्ट की तरह यूज़ करते थे, मैं तो करती थी। सो ये बिल्कुल उसका थोड़ा अप वाला वर्जन है। आई रियली लाइक इट। इफ़ यू सी ऑलमोस्ट आधी बॉटल ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुकी है, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रीपर्चेज इट फॉर श्योर। I really like it. This is one of my favorites this summer. It works really well as a face mist. जब भी गर्मी लगे बस मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगा लेती हूँ, and जब भी I wash my face उसके बाद the first thing that goes on my face is this toner. It works really well. It is good for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid, so that's the best part about it. It's not like normal rose water. I love it. Chef's kiss. The last product जो ब्यूटी में आता है, that is a setting powder. So setting powder is very essential for summers, specifically जिसकी oily skin है उसको तो थ्रू आउट द ईयर ही लगाना चाहिए। बट फॉर मी, मेरी स्किन थोड़ा नॉर्मल से ड्राई आती है, बट अगेन बिकॉज गर्मी इतनी होती है, यू टेंड टू स्वेट अ लॉट, सो अंडर आइज में आई डू अप्लाई सेटिंग पाउडर during summers, and my favorite one is this one from Swiss Beauty. Now ये ना एक प्राइमर एंड मैटिफाइंग सेटिंग पाउडर है, तो ये बहुत ही प्यार से ब्लर कर देता है आपके पोर्स को, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. दिस कम्स अगेन विद अ स्पंज ऐसे छोटा सा, बट आई यूजुअली यूज अ ब्रश, नॉर्मल ब्रश टू अप्लाई इट. सी कैसे उड़ रहा है ये. And plus it is like a translucent, इसमें कोई कलर नहीं है, so it will not give you any coverage, but it will just set your face really well. तो वो जो स्वेट वाला जो ग्लो होता है ना, that will not happen after applying this. वो sweaty सा face and बह जाता है कभी कभी फाउंडेशन, that really sucks, and I think this one is my favorite for now. I really like how affordable it is as well, because ये I think ये कितने का था. This was just for I think 200-300 rupees. मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तो एक बार देख लेना. But this one is really nice. I would highly recommend it. If this one अगर ये वाला नहीं मिलता है, then there's also Revlon का banana powder. That is also really nice, but this one for now it is affordable and it is but this one for now because this is affordable and it works really well. Beauty से हटके let's get to fashion, because that's the main idea of our channel. तो fashion में something that is very essential for me, so something that you need in summers is a good fitting top, be it tank top or basic tops that you have, जो कि कहीं बाहर जाने के लिए लेयर भी कर सकते. You can just dress it up or dress it down according to you. So I think these are the kind of tops that I really like. This is the first one. ये मैंने Amazon से लिया था. पिछली वीडियो का मैं लिंक डालूंगी if you want to check out. उसमें मैंने बहुत ही affordable tops लिए थे Amazon से, and this one was one of them. So this is something that I really like because it is very basic and yet it looks really nice. इसमें तो थोड़ा सा corset वाला pattern है, but then there are some other tops that I also have जो कि बहुत ही basic है. Different colors में I think you should all have spaghetti tops or tank tops for that matter, because they can be easily styled with. So I'm going to show you some options. Either this one or I have another one. ये मैंने शायद वेस्ट साइड से लिया था. It's a very basic सा top. So these are the tops that I'm telling you guys about. ये होना ही चाहिए. Similarly I have a white one right over here, and this is the one जो मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में पहना था Urbanic से. So ऐसे I also have brown. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे टॉप्स का मैं एक wardrobe sort of बना रही हूँ अपने लिए, because that is something that you really need in your wardrobe, be it summers, be it winters. These are the wardrobe staples that you should have, I think, in every color. So these are my current favorite. I think मेरा पूरा summer ऐसे ही जाने वाला है. Basic and yet chic look. That is my vibe for this summer. So the last thing that is my summer favorite, not summer yaar, that is my all-time favorite. I love playing with them. And that is slimes. I really like it. मतलब slime का obsession मेरा शुरू हो गया था I think college time से ही. And मैं and मेरी एक friend थी, we used to get out and buy slime. I think जब मैं Mysore में थी Infosys की तरफ से, तब भी we bought slimes to play with. But now it's just like a stress buster. तो ये है मेरा पहला slime. I got it from the store called Slime Space. ये Instagram store है and I really like their slimes. They are so, I mean, I could just eat them. इतने सुंदर दिखते हैं ना वो. So this one is the Bliss वाला. I really like playing with it. I mean, slime is something जो I would suggest सबके पास होना चाहिए, because मुझे जब भी stress होता है ना, I just take it out of the box. I just play with it for a long time. मतलब ऐसे में लोग बोलेंगे मैं time waste करती हूँ, but it really gives me that relaxation and I really like it. तो इसीलिए this one is the first slime that I got. Love it. And the second one, let me just show you the second one, because the second one is my favorite. The second one is a cloud slime. Now cloud slimes are slightly different from normal slimes. So this is how it looks. ये थोड़ा सा ना इसका texture is like you can just eat it. So इसका texture is kind of like इसका texture is kind of like sand. It slips right from your hand but it is so nice and I just want to eat it yaar. I just can't explain it in words. I love slimes and I love slime space. तो किसी को भी slime लेना हो तो you can definitely go ahead and buy it from that Instagram store. उनका भी मैं link description में डाल दूंगी. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please let me know if you like more such videos like this. ऐसे favorites वाली वीडियो जिसमें मैं बहुत सारी random चीज़ें दिखा सकती हूँ जो भी मुझे favorite लगती है season wise और month wise. अभी तो मैंने summer के लिए ही एक बनाया है. But for sure let me know. See you next time guys. Bye.